Okay, we already know that these two fractions are equal, which means that there is some process by which we can reduce this fraction to get this fraction. Yeah? Now it's time to learn that process. And the process is something very similar to what we did recently. Recently, a couple worksheets ago, we multiplied the top and the bottom of the fraction by the same number. Why did we do that? Because that's the same as multiplying by 1, effectively, right? If you multiply the top by 2, the bottom by 2, you're multiplying by 2 over 2. And in that case, you're just multiplying by 1. So it's going to be the same number. It's just going to look a little bit different. Reducing, as you know, is all about creating something that has an equal value. It's just going to look a little bit different. It's the same thing, but this time we're going to get a little bit smaller. So you could take a guess here. We are going to divide the top and the bottom instead of multiplying the top and the bottom. As long as you do the same thing to both the top and the bottom of the fraction will stay equal, and you're going to be okay. Don't go around doing weird different things to the top and the bottom. That's not going to work out. So over here, 6 divided by 6, that gets us 1. 12 divided by 6, that gets us 2. And this is how we reduce that fraction mathematically. We also had this set of fractions. How are we going to reduce that one? Divide by 2, top and bottom. So 4 divided by 2 is 2, 12 divided by 2 is 6, and you'll notice that this is not actually the simplest that this could be. So you could have originally divided by 4, and that would get you down to 1/3. That's okay, right? The whole goal here is just knowing that we have the ability to reduce in different ways. So you could divide by 2, you could divide by 4, there's lots of little flexibility over there. Generally, we are going to want to reduce to the most simple form, so you would want to take this down to 1/3. And then over here, we've got this one. Again, you're going to divide top and bottom by 2, and you get something over here. This one, though, could not reduce any further, right? 3 over 4, that's as simple as it gets. So that's useful. As long as you do the same thing to the top and the bottom, you're going to be okay. Ready, set, let's practice.